Alright guys, let's get started. In this tutorial we are gonna talk about the IDE, Integration Development Environment. Now if you have a prior experience in programming, then you do know that you actually run your codes in some kind of environment. For example, if you have done C++, you might have used Visual Studio. If you have done Android development, you have used Android Studio. If you have done desktop development, you might have used Eclipse or NetBeans. So those are actually called IDEs. Now, why we talked about IDEs? Because I'm going to tell you that which IDE we are going to use to run a JavaScript. Actually, you do not need an IDE to run a JavaScript. There is a program that most of us are using called Google Chrome. It already has some tools that a developer can use. So how to enable them or start them? In Windows system, just press Ctrl Shift I, and on the Mac you have to press Command Option and I. Well, if you are still confused, let me show you. So I am here in my Google Chrome. Let me press the shortcut keys, and there you have it. This is called a console. This is where we are gonna run our JavaScript codes. So let me show you a couple of basic things. For example, an alerts box. Alert box is sort of a window that pops up, which actually looks different depending on your browser. It will look different in Edge or Internet Explorer or Firefox and even in Chrome. It's mostly for the alerting of error or some kind of information. So let's see. For example, I'm gonna call it display a hello message, and after I have write it, I'm just gonna press enter, which shows me an alert box, right?